Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Chill on You Too. We all have kitchen essentials, but there's nothing like a cool kitchen gadget to make cooking fun again. On a practical level, useful gadgets can change the way you cook and save you time and money. Here's a collection of some of the best top-rated kitchen gadgets for their quality, value of money, and overall geniusness. So let's check out these 6 next-level kitchen gadgets. You guys will be shocked to see our third gadget on the list.
Number 6.
Electric breakfast sandwich maker. With breakfast being the most important meal of the day, you'll want to whip up something delicious and, even better, quick and easy. The breakfast sandwich maker from Hamilton Beach lets you prepare a fresh breakfast sandwich you can grab and go on a busy morning. Just choose your bread and layer on the fixings like eggs, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or other ingredients you desire. The convenient kitchen appliance can cook one sandwich to perfection in 5 minutes or less, all while knowing when it's ready thanks to its built-in timer. When you're all done, cleanup is a breeze. All removable parts go right into the dishwasher.
Number 5.
Stainless steel watermelon slicer. Fruits are crucial for healthy bodies. When it comes to chopping, the stainless steel watermelon slicer is particularly great if you're chopping up a watermelon. It's effective and efficient. With a stainless steel watermelon slicer, chop slices that are elegant and clean. The slicer is not only used for cutting watermelon, however, but it can be used for chopping cakes and fruits. Then, just enjoy whatever you're chopping using this straightforward and classic cutter. Forget about the stickiness and mess. Check out the stainless steel watermelon slicer.
Number 4.
Digital oven thermometer. The DOT is the best cooking thermometer out there. It displays both current temperature and features an audible alarm. Simply set the desired temperature using the buttons, insert the probe into your food, and the DOT will beep and the display will flash when the temperature is reached. The DOT incorporates a large LCD display with a black light and loud 70 decibel audible alarm, making it ideal for use in busy professional kitchens. Housed in a durable water-resistant case, the DOT is designed to either sit on a worktop using the fold-out stand or attached to an appliance using the magnetic pads at the rear of the instrument. Each unit is supplied with a 114mm penetration probe. Caliente.
Number 3.
PL8 Cuban Mandolin. Are you ready to get smart with the progressive PL8 1050 Professional Cuban Mandolin? Building on the original Smart Slice, this professional version adopts modern materials along with intelligent design and heaps of features to make your kitchen life easier. This professional Cuban mandolin cubes, slices, and juliennes using its fully integrated cubing system that requires, get this, no removable blades, which means you don't need to handle anything sharp. Able to cut cubes to 2 different sizes, its mandolin uses an electro-polished, razor-sharp system of blades which you'll be protected from by the nifty handguard. It really is as professional as it sounds and looks. Fresh.
Number 2.
Bosch Dishwasher. Bosch 8000 line of dishwasher is its most famous machine, and it's no surprise why. The 800 line has great Bosch features with an elegant design. The Bosch 800 series dishwasher now comes with Crystal Dry, which bone dries challenging items without melting them. This series boasts a sleek pocket handle design and modern touch control panel, adding a streamlined aesthetic to your kitchen. The stainless steel tub offers more durability and easier cleanup than models with plastic tubs. The 40 decibel noise level benefit is one of the best in the market. In fact, very few can beat noise levels with 38 decibels. Homes where the kitchen blends right into the living space would really benefit from a dishwasher this quiet. Another key feature of this unit is the V-shaped third rack called My Way Rack. This special third rack offers a load of flexibility. The V-shaped handles ramekins, cereal bowls, measuring cups, ladles, and more, while giving you additional space for taller products on the side of the middle rack. It is the Ferrari of dishwashers.
Number 1.
PL8 Pasta Machine. The PL8 Pasta Machine offers a very attractive and affordable design for homemade pasta. The tabletop roller and cutter operate by hand crank to prepare lasagna, linguine, and fettuccine noodles. The tabletop clamps ensure stable operation, and a dial easily adjusts through 7 thickness settings. The PL8 Pasta Machine is constructed from black finished steel with nickel-plated rollers and stainless accents. Roll and cut homemade pasta with a progressive PL8 Professional Pasta Machine. This professional-grade pasta machine clamps to your counter for stability as you roll and cut pasta. Mamma mia, that's a spicy machine de pasta. Alright guys, that's the end of this video, the 6 kitchen gadgets that are next level. We hope you really enjoyed them. Thanks for tuning in, but before you go, subscribe, like, and share this video, and don't forget, hit that bell icon to check out more interesting videos made just for you.